What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to get dressed because I'm headed to do some fun things, some fun activities. So today I'm putting on a hat because I'm feeling very lazy today. Too lazy. You already know the drill. When the wig is not strapped on, a hat. When you don't feel like doing your brows, a hat. So that's what it's given today. I'm doing all of that. Plus, I don't feel like doing my baby hairs. I actually need to leave soon. I'm like always running late to everything. So I think I'm gonna put on this hat. Like that. That's dumb cute, right? And it's raining outside. It's raining outside. So that means that I get to, you know, wear my rain boots, wear a hat. I get to get away with those things. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer and I'm gonna just do my no makeup look. Like, that's literally the only look that I go for these days. It's really crazy. I'm gonna do that. All right, y'all, so I finished the makeup. Oh, I did not finish. I did not put on mascara. That's how much I'm rushing. I forgot to put on mascara. But this houndstooth hat is so freaking cute. I gotta edit in the car because I have to be on my way to this event and I have to upload my Vlogmas. I did not edit last night because I was so tired and stressed out. Honestly, launching a business is really stressful. I feel like I'm gonna wear these today because it goes with the look. And then I'm not wearing those damn leather leggings. I don't care. I don't care. Leave me alone. Leather leggings, leave me. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna wear actually. I just want to wear some black pants, you know. I just want to keep it simple and regular. All right, hold up. We got this right now. All right, I just got these sweatpants. They're from Pretty Little Thing with the rain boots. And then I think I'm just gonna wear like a cute jacket, you know. So I just decided to put on a green jacket. I don't really care for it, but I like that it's like rain jacket type. And I think I'm just gonna wear it with the Dior. Honestly, I'm just putting on, not really putting on anything, but everything in my closet matches each other. So I don't really care. Finally in the car, I'm about to head to the Whitney Houston event. And while I'm on my way there, I'm gonna get there like 30 minutes before it closes, so I gotta literally hurry. But while I'm on my way there, I'm gonna edit Vlogmas. Oh my god. Like, editing Vlogmas is like, you gotta really wake up in the morning, first thing in the morning, and edit. But I didn't have time to do that because I woke up late. I was so tired last night, you guys. Yesterday I launched Karen and Rita and I had woke up at 7 a.m. I didn't vlog it because honestly, I don't know why. I just didn't vlog it or vlog, like, I was very much in my emotion. So I think it's because like the way the internet works, if you're in your feelings on the internet, they'll like literally attack you for it. So I was very emotional yesterday because launching a business is really hard. Like, you have all of these thoughts and these doubts and you're just having panic attacks. You're wondering if people are gonna like it or not. You're like going crazy. So I was just going through all of that, and I know it sounds insane that could happen, but it's called, what is it called? Business owner anxiety or whatever it's called, something like that. But it happens. It's happened to me times before. It used to happen to me before launching videos, but now I'm just like used to it. Yeah, I got the hang of it. But that's like with all things, you know, like you got to start somewhere and get the hang of it, and then you get to this point where I am with videos and, you know, content on Instagram. You get to a point where you know what you like, how you want it to present, what people are going to say. So being that I've never launched a jewelry brand, I was kind of so shook because I don't know what people are going to say. I don't know how it's going to, you know. So I was definitely having a lot of anxiety. suffering from imposter syndrome as well, which I feel like I kind of want to like talk more about, but later, because I ain't trying to get into all of that right now. I gotta edit. And I only ate a little bit today, so hopefully I get some good food later on. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna edit today's video. I mean, not today's video. I'm gonna edit Vlogmas videos. So I'll see you guys when I get to the event space. So, yeah, I mean, why am I saying yesterday? Why am I saying yesterday we just went to the Whitney Houston thing? We just came from the Whitney Houston event. So I'm going to see the movie soon. I'm really, really, really excited. I cannot wait. The little pop-up shop that we just went to was cute. They had, I really wonder if that was like her actual clothes that she wore. Like, I really wonder, because if it was, I wanted to touch it. But see, that's the thing, it probably was not, right? It wasn't in the box, it was just sitting out. It was not, I don't think they would have that at a pop-up shop where it's not in the box and random strangers could just walk past it, put their walk past air on it. No, they're not gonna do that, and especially not outside of a box. You want to go to Ripley's? I want to go back to Ripley's. I've been to Ripley's like twice before, and I don't know, some of the stuff in here is actually really fascinating, but I don't know how much I believe Ripley's, like, that's Marilyn Monroe's dress or Goldilocks's piece of hair. I think they had Marilyn Monroe's piece of hair in there. And then they had her makeup kit, which the makeup definitely was from the 1940s. I don't know how much I believe Ripley's, but I am very fascinated by Ripley's, so I think I want to go soon. We're gonna go to Ripley's, but yeah, before we do that, we're going another day. But listen, you already know what we about to eat. If you know what we about to eat, put it in the comments before you go to, press pause right now and put it in the comments. Because if you don't know what I'm obsessing about, are you even part of the army even? Are you part of the army even? Y'all gonna see what we're gonna eat in the next clip. I'll be right back. Guys, the Tunacado was given 1,000 out of 10. I am feeling very zesty. It's so good. Why am I obsessed? I don't want to be like this. I didn't choose the Tunacado life. This Tunacado life chose me. It shouldn't have showed up on my newsfeed on TikTok. The fuck? Anyway, so I'm about to go get some hoops at a little like cafe. I'm about to go get some hookah at a cafe while I upload my video for Vlogmas. It's very important to upload my video. Oh my god, how many days did I skip? I only skipped one day, which was 10, but I posted a different video. But it feels like I skipped like 5 days. That's insane. Yeah, I'm about to go get some hookah while I work. I'm in the city, so I might as well just, like, you know, lounge here a little bit. The traffic is probably insane because coming here was insane. Oh my gosh, people do not know how to drive, especially when it rains.